Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Aji Faturohman. I'm from TBED, a 5th semester student in English Language Teaching Department. In this video, I'd like to share my reflection on the material which the language learning and assessment implementation. Learning implementation is a structured process aimed at developing student knowledge, skills, and value through interaction between teachers, students, and educational researchers. Effective learning requires thoughtful planning, where the focus is not just on transferring knowledge, but on fostering critical thinking, problem solving, and multiple components such as memory, attention, and language skills, which must work together for successful learning outcomes. Okay, the role of assessment. Assessment is closely linked to learning, serving as a tool to evaluate student progress and understanding. It provides feedback for both students and educators, ensuring that teaching methods are aligned with learning goals. Effective assessment motivates students by giving clear feedback on their progress and area for improvement, helping them set further learning goals. Okay, so there are some challenges in implementation, like researchers limitation, lack of researchers and teaching tools hinder the learning process, and then inappropriate method. And the next is assessment difficulties. Designing valid, reliable assessment instrument is often a challenge, especially with diverse student abilities and limited resources. And then student diversity. Differentiating instruction and assessment for students with varying skill level can be difficult, requiring tailored approaches to ensure inclusivity. Okay, to overcome those challenges, educators encouraged to use technology to enhance learning and assessment, innovative with context-based learning, and active learning strategies to make lesson more engaging and relatable to real-life situation, and then implement formative assessment regularly to provide feedback that can improve both teaching practice and student learning outcomes. And the last is promote a growth mindset, where mistakes are seen as learning opportunities and focus is placed on understanding rather than speed or final outcomes. So in my conclusion, learning and assessment are intertwined process that must be carefully designed and implemented to achieve educational goals. Both should be adapted to the needs and abilities of students, fostering an inclusive environment where students can develop holistically. Continuous improvement through innovative teaching method, formative assessment, and the use of technology is essential for enhancing the quality of education. So educators can ensure that learning is not only effective but also meaningful for student long-term development. So that's all my reflection regarding the material. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.